Today we're going to work on my DRZ. Can you hear me? How do I sound? Can you hear me? How do I look? Fix this. This looks weird. So this is the bag we're going to use. I bought this as a chest rig to carry. I never use it. You can just take the buckles off, get rid of this part. We're going to use it motorcycle bag. It's going to mount just like that. So before we get started, I just want to say thank you to Jason for this microphone. Thank you, Jason, very much. So today, we're going to work on the shop truck, the DRZ400 Supermoto. So the rack is off. I'm going to do a little cleanup.
We're just doing a little tack. We like how it fits. We're gonna tack it even more. Oh shit.
We're going to tack this one.
Whoa. Ooh, a big old hole. Shit. Well, that sucks. Guess I gotta calm down. Shit. Feel right up. Whoops. Dummy. Sticky today. Sticky today. I can't believe I screwed that up so bad. Gross. That'll work. Kind of welds like garbage.
So we left off on the DRZ a week ago. I got these tabs all ground down, smooth, make them look nice. The welds weren't that great. But the next move is to cut out this 12 by 12 square. That's going to be the base to our rack. Well, trying to mock up the bag, see how we like it. I've got a couple angles cut on the metal. Just zip tied the bag there for now. This is the hardest part for me. What is it? Hardest part for me is to look at it every angle, see if I like it. Before I commit. Who knows? For now, the rack is done. I'll pull the bag off, show you guys what it looks like. Here it is with no bag. A little plate. Here's up underneath. I have a spot I could put a bracket if I want. Don't think I'll do it now, but I can get some paint on it. We can try it out. The bag mounts. There's a plate in there, sandwiches the bag. This YouTube thing is hard. Wicked hard. I think it come out pretty good. I bent the bottom a little bit just to hold it snug. I think it's gonna work. Doesn't need a bunch of stuff. Just keep it simple. If it needs more support, I'll add it later. For now, we're gonna get some paint. Well, if you stuck around this long, thank you. This is way harder than I expected to do. And I'm learning as I go. Don't know what I'm doing. And hopefully it gets better.